Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chai. This video is about a vlog of me going to the salon to cut my hair. Also, if you're a learner, you want to learn how to cut your hair, this video is for you. Please, before we continue this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. We are about to start cutting the hair. Look at the barber man or the salon man. We're about to cut the hair. Look at the clipper. If you're a learner, you can learn. Look at what he did first. So start learning and watch how my hair is being cut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch and I'll see you guys soon. have finished cutting my hair. Look at the style they gave me. Oh, my look has changed. So let me get up so you will see my hair completely. Does this hair fit me? Give me a comment in my comment section. Comments or answer if the hair fits me or not. Okay, so this video will end there. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe. Thank you.